Welcome to Pure Home Gardening, where we show you how to create a beautiful home garden right from your balcony. 2. Today we will grow stunning red roses and a healthy small tree at home. 3. This is your peaceful journey into natural gardening and fresh greenery. 4. Let's start building a beautiful green space step by step. 5. Pure Home Gardening, grow your dream garden at home. Scene 6 to 10, soil preparation. 6. First, prepare rich and healthy soil for your plants. 7. Use clean pots with proper drainage for better growth. 8. Add small stones at the bottom to improve water flow. 9. Fill the pot with nutrient-rich soil and compost. 10. Level the soil gently to create a perfect planting surface. Scene 11 to 15, rose planting. 11. Now take a healthy rose cutting with fresh green leaves. 12. Place it carefully into the soil. 13. Cover the roots gently with soil. 14. Press the soil softly to secure the plant. 15. Water the rose plant slowly and evenly. Scene 16 to 20, tree planting. 16.